Hi and welcome to this video on the different approaches to fundamental analysis. In our last video, we introduced the basics of fundamental analysis and how it can be used to evaluate an asset, such as a cryptocurrency, based on its underlying fundamental factors. In this video, we'll delve a bit deeper and explore the different approaches to fundamental analysis that investors can use. First, let's define what we mean by approaches to fundamental analysis. An approach is simply a way of looking at and analyzing the fundamental factors of an asset. There are many different approaches to fundamental analysis, each with its own set of assumptions and methods. Some of the most common approaches include the intrinsic value approach. This approach involves estimating the intrinsic value of an asset based on its fundamental factors, such as its use case, market sentiment, economic indicators, team and community, and market capitalization. The goal is to determine whether the asset is overvalued or undervalued compared to its intrinsic value. The discounted cash flow approach. This approach involves estimating the future cash flows of an asset and discounting them back to present value. The idea is to determine the present value of an asset based on its expected future cash flows. The relative valuation approach. This approach involves comparing the fundamental factors of an asset to those of a similar asset or group of assets. The goal is to determine whether the asset is undervalued or overvalued relative to its peers. These are just a few examples of the many approaches to fundamental analysis that investors can use. It's important to note that no single approach is perfect, and investors may use a combination of approaches in order to gain a more complete understanding of an asset's fundamental factors. So, that's a brief overview of the different approaches to fundamental analysis. By understanding the various ways of analyzing an asset's fundamental factors, you can make more informed decisions about your investments. Thanks for watching this video on the different approaches to fundamental analysis. If you enjoyed it and want to learn more about this important investment tool, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you're ready to start using cryptocurrencies yourself, don't forget to create your own BINGX account using my referral link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.